everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to do what's in my school bag, college edition. As a second year college student, first we're going to start off with my school bag, which is a handbag from Finnair. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but yeah, it has 4 pockets, 2 on the sides and 1 pocket front and back and 2 pocket inside. So first, dito sa right side pocket, I have here my umbrella from UV. Here, from UV. And then, sa other side naman is yung mini fan. There, just in case of emergency or kapag mainit, lalo na pag PE, I have this one. This is essential. And then, yung back pocket naman, nandito lang itong my wallet here. So, medyo bulky siya, but ayoko muna siyang palitan kasi pwede pa naman. Sorry sa background noise. There. So, meron lang siyang pocket here. And then here. Tapos, nandito na yung mga coins ko. Yung sa loob ng bag ko. So, here, dito sa first pocket, inside, nandito yung stand ng aking mini fan. Just in case, pag mainit sa room, tapos gusto ko siyang ganyan, nakatapat, pato ko lang siya sa table. Like that. Dinala ko na just in case lang. And, sa first pocket din, nandun din tong Casio Scientific Calculator. Essential to, lalo na sa ibang math subject. Then, that's it. Tapos, dito naman sa isang pocket here. Here, may pocket here. And dito naman yung power bank ko from Tranio. I don't know if that's how you read it. And then, dito lang yung charger for my power bank. And then, charger sa mini fan. And dito ko din ilalagay itong phone charger ko. Just in case lang. Dadaling ko na dito. Pero way back, dati pa naman na nag-aaral ako, never ako nagdadala ng charger. Kasi, hindi ko naman din gano'ng ginagamit yung phone ko. But, for this coming school year, dadaling ko na. Just in case lang na, just in case or just for emergency. And, okay, going back, I also have this, my basic calculator from Casio. Need din kasi itong basic cal eh. Lalo na sa mga accounting student. But, masyado siyang malaki and bulky. I'm thinking na mag-buy ulit ng bago. Kasi yung nakikita kong trending sa TikTok na Casio din. Medyo pricey siya. So, pag-iipunan ko muna yun bago ko ito palitan. Pero, pwede pa naman to. Nagpa-function pa naman siya. So, yeah. Next thing is, I have here a binder notebook from Veco. Gamit ko na to nung first year pa, so sayang naman. Pwede pa naman siya. Hindi na ako bumili ng bagong binder. Binili ko na lang is yung mga filler para ma-refill yung laman na palitan ng bago. And I also have this yung ginawa kong notebook lang. Sayang naman kasi yung ibang page na hindi na nagamit. So, bala ko tong gamitin for taking down notes. Lalo na pag mabilis magsalita yung prof. Dito ko na lang din sila isusulat bago ko sila ilipat dito sa binder para maayos yung notes ko and mga lectures. Para makapag-review tayo ng maayos. Here, meron lang akong ditong bulky na pen case. So, here we have my extra mini basic calculator. So, as you can see, basag na siya dito. Nalaglag ko kasi ito nung senior high. So, pwede ko din tong gamitin kapag nasira or nawala ng battery yon. Itong bigger one. So, pwede ko tong gamitin. Di ko na ito tinapon or di ko na ito tinanggal sa bag ko kasi pwede pa naman siya although nabasag nga yung dito. Nagpa-function pa naman siya. So, tinabi ko na. Next is, I have 2 Mongol pencil in number 2. Just in case lang, nagdala na ako. And then, here, yung, last year pa to, may correction tape. Essential yan lagi. Then, just a flex marker. Just in case, may project, need mong gamitin. Nilagay ko na lang din mga yan. And then, eraser from Mongol. Nung senior high pa to, pero ngayon ko lang siya nagamit. I mean, last year lang. Then, just a glue stick. And then, pantasa. Another marker from Airline in color purple. And then, I have this, then, na highlighter pens from Flex Office, green and blue. And then, itong ball color pens na Flex, and yes, Flex sticks. I don't know if it's yellow or gold, then orange. Then, I have here a black one. Actually, I have dalawang black. Kasi, lagi ako, mahilig kasi ako magsulat tsaka mag-lectures and mag-notes. So, kailangan may extra ako. Then, I also have this sign pen from, I don't know what brand is this. BIL, I think, 0.5, the gel pen. And another gel pen din. Here. Halatang wala na laman eh. Gamit na gamit. Pero meron pa to dito. Konti. Dito ko nasahin kasi. From Ennis. I don't know how to pronounce them right. Gel ink pen din. And another 0.5. Bili ako sa 0.5 na ball pen. Lalo na ito. I bought this one. I love them. I bought this sa National Bookstore. I super love this pen. Like, na-discover ko lang sa last year. Since I love writing and highlighting, I'm designing my notes. So, this is essential talaga. This is from M&G Office G Gel Pen 0.5 din. I have the pink one, brown, purple, orange, green, and then black. I so love this one. Then, ito, extra ball pen lang din. From, what brand is this? Sino? Uniball. And then, ito lang din na HBW Matrix in 0.5. That's it. And then, for the last one, na laman ng bag ko, is this pouch. Nandito yung makeup pouch ko, or yung mga, pwede kong gamitin pang retouch since di naman ako ganoon kahilig mag-makeup. So, I have this lang, mirror. Tada! I love BTS, so I love this BT21 na mirror. And then, I have this Noceable Mineral Powder. But I bought another one kasi paubos na to. Nagamit ko kasi to last year. I bought, another na ganito na powder from Dazzle Me. For all control yun. Kasi oily kasi yung skin type ko. And I have this eyelash curler na mini. And then I have this mini lip gloss. And gamit na gamit ko to last year, pati to, as you can see, bura-bura na yung text or yung brand name. This is from Kimus. This the lip to cheek tint in shade W01. And then I also have this brow pencil. May brush siya dito, and then ito yung brow pencil. Ayan. Pero I also bought another one from Focalure. Kaso hindi pa sila dumadating. And then another, this mini eye mascara. I bought another one din na mascara. Pero hindi na siya ganito. From Focalure din. And I'm planning din na mag-buy ng face face mist from Dazzle Me. Yung Get a Grip. Yung kulay red for oily face. Excuse me. Yun na kasi yung mga want kong bilhin na mga makeup products that are good for oily skin type, since yun nga yung skin type ko. So, para magstay put yung makeup, yun na yung mga bibilin ko. And about naman sa lipstick or lip tint, meron din ako in order from Focler and another one from Kimus. So, on the way pa lang sila. I ordered them already. Before natin makalimutan, dito pala sa front packet, I have here yung stock ko ng wipes. I have this stock ng wipes dito sa front pocket ko, since mahilig ako mag-wipes, lalo na pag for face and hands. Ito yung essential talaga for me. And nag-order din ako ng other types ng wipes. And I bought this and then another essential for hands, lalo na alcohol. Yeah, nag-order na rin ako ng alcohol ko and facial tissue or facial towel. And aside from my bag, I also have this 2-in-1 clipboard filing organizer or case in size A4. So I have here lang some pieces of yellow pad. Ayoko nang lagay lahat yung pad kasi medyo mabigat and bulky. And then these sticky notes to organize my files lang. And then ruler. And then some half yellow paper na hinati-hati ko lang from my yellow paper nung last year. Sayang kasi, so ginawa ko na lang ganito. Since essential din kasi itong half yellow pad, and nagtitipid din kasi ako. Binabudget ko yung paper ako. So, tsaka di naman kasi ganun kanid yung half yellow pad, tsaka yung 1/4 and yung length twice. So, yun lang. So, ginawa ko na lang ganun. Kesa naman bumili ako ng mga diba? Tapos di man ganong magagamit. Sayang naman. Pwede ko naman pala sa i-recycle or hatiin yung whole yellow pad. So, ito yung clipboard. And pwede ko dito ilagay yung mga files para hindi siya malukot dito sa aking handbag. And also, I also have my tumbler from Civago. There, Civago yung brand. Ingredient color black and green. If napansin nyo, I'm aiming for a theme na black na may pagka-pink. Pero the rest na gamit ko, mayroong blue. Pencil pouch ko, yung pen pouch ko na floral na kulay blue. Plus, nung senior high pa ako nito. Sayang kasi pwede pa siya. And this yung notebook na ginawa ko na kulay yellow. Recycled notebook. Yan. And the rest, kulay black and pink na yung theme. And that's it everyone for today's video. If you have video suggestions, don't hesitate to comment them down below sa comment section. And if you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa bago kong videos. Bye!